Hi, everybody. I'm Pratibha Agarwal. I am an immigration attorney. I'm based in Washington, D.C., and our clients are all over the United States. We help them with immigration questions, immigration situations. We help get work permits and green cards, and even citizenship for many people that qualify. We're based here in DC, but we work with clients all over the United States. Immigration is considered a federal practice, so no matter where you are located, if you're interested in learning more about immigration and working with our firm, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. I'm streaming here live on Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok. So right now we're on YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok. So if you see me kind of looking around, it's because I'm looking at these different cameras with all of you guys logged in from different places. But I'm so excited to talk to you about immigration, to give you immigration information. Ask your questions. If you have others that might be interested in joining this conversation, please share this with them, ping them, poke them, and let them know that we're on live right now answering immigration questions. Okay? All right. So one of the things I want to talk to you today about is VAWA. So VAWA is a humanitarian green card application, and we work a lot with VAWA cases, right? So it's a humanitarian way for people that are married to U.S. citizens or green card holders can get status here in the United States. So sorry about all the barking, you guys. This is the joy of doing this from home, so I'm so sorry. But let me start talking with you about our question of the day. So we always have a question of the day. Our question of the day today is, can I apply for VAWA if my abusive spouse also says that they're going to file an I-130 family-based petition? So I've already filed my VAWA application, and my abusive spouse is saying now that they want to file an I-130 petition to do a family-based green card application. So some of our clients, we've actually had this happen to us recently. Some of our clients actually are nervous about this, right? So they have a VAWA pending now. They're scared that their spouse is going to find out if they file this I-130 petition, what's going to happen to my VAWA case. Remember, to qualify for VAWA, you need only a few things. So you need to be married to a U.S. citizen or a green card holder. You need to have lived with that person. It has to be a real marriage, not just for immigration purposes if you're doing marriage-based VAWA. And there has to be abuse in that marriage. So if all of these things submitted are truthful, if everything you've already submitted in your VAWA application is truthful, accurate information, you have nothing to be worried about, right? If your spouse later files that I-130 petition, and they may, that will not impact your VAWA case. You can still qualify for VAWA. You can qualify for a green card through VAWA based on your VAWA filing, right? So as long as everything is truthful, accurate, consistent, you really don't have anything to worry about. And also, VAWA is a confidential process. Your spouse or anyone cannot find out about it. Even when I call USCIS to ask about one of my VAWA clients, they will not give me the information. I have to email a specific hotline, a VAWA hotline that's specific to attorneys. It's one of the benefits of working with an attorney on your VAWA application. I have to send an email there, and they will only respond to me if I am attorney of record, right? They won't even give me any information if they don't have my email on file for your VAWA case. So this is all really awesome ways to keep your information confidential, to keep other people from knowing about your case. So it's not like your spouse can call and find out about your VAWA case. So you have to understand that VAWA is a very confidential process. Actually, we have another question here that says, does the abuser find out about a VAWA self-petition? Can they find out about my VAWA case? If I file a spousal VAWA petition, can the abuser find out about my case? So actually, no, it's a highly confidential process. The government understands that you're a victim of abuse, that you might not be necessarily willing to put this person in prison. There might not even be physical abuse present, present in your case, right? So if you are filing for VAWA, you don't have to have physical abuse in your case. So there might be nothing to report to the police because you can't necessarily report psychological or emotional abuse to the police, right? So you can still qualify for VAWA. They don't need to contact your spouse. It's a self-petition. The process is entirely through you. The most common piece of evidence we use is a detailed declaration that our firm will work with you to gather all the data and put together for you to best increase your chances for winning a VAWA case. Okay, so give us a call. If we can help you, you can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. We handle so many VAWA cases. We help so many clients. Actually, this week we've been so lucky in getting all these VAWA approvals. We even got some green cards in the mail. So it's been super exciting to see some of these that have been pending for a couple of years come to fruition. So if you think you might be married to someone that is not going to sponsor your green card, you may be able to do it on your own, right? So give us a call. We'd love to talk to you more about your case and see if we're the right firm for you to work with us on your VAWA case. We work on a lot of VAWA cases. So I would love to talk with you about your eligibility. So give us a call, 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. I have some awesome questions here. If you're joining me for the first time, guys, say hello. I love chatting with you guys, seeing who's listening. If you have other people that are interested in immigration, if they have immigration questions, please share this with them so they can join us in this conversation. If not today, then next time they can join us in this conversation. We're here to provide immigration information. I'm mainly speaking about humanitarian cases while I'm on live here. Our firm does work with business immigration cases. We work with employment-based cases, of course, student visas, family-based green cards. But what I'm here to do is to provide you information on humanitarian options, because many people here in the U.S. are undocumented, but they might have ways to apply for a visa and receive a green card that is going to change their life forever, right? So that's not only going to impact you, it could impact your kids. Call us and we can talk through what might be available for you. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I am an immigration attorney based in Washington, D.C. Our clients are everywhere. They're all over the United States. We help them with so many different types of applications. We're so fortunate to be able to work with so many different people in situations like some of you who might be watching, where we can help them get status. We can help them get a work permit and a social security number for the first time. And we can, assess their situation, assess their experience to see if they do qualify for one of the few humanitarian options that are available for many people here in the U.S. without papers. Call us if we can help you. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. I'm going to take some of your questions as well. Okay. Amika, you have a great question. I saw it a little bit earlier. I hope you're still on to hear my response to it. Okay. Amika is saying, hello, can I apply for VAWA concurrently with a green card application and have an EAD based on a pending VAWA if I enter illegally or order removed by an immigration judge due to a denied asylum case? That's a great question, Amika. That's an awesome question. So if many people can apply for a VAWA and an adjustment of status application, and with that adjustment of status application, you can qualify for work permit, so work authorization, right? So you would be applying for VAWA and work authorization. You have a little bit of a different situation if you have a removal order against you. So you could apply for that, and then you would have to close out the immigration case. So you'd want to reopen your immigration case and ask the judge to either adjudicate the adjustment of status, I'm saying all these words, the green card application in court, or if the government agrees, we can perhaps close out the immigration court case and continue with the green card application with USCIS. So there are a couple of ways to do that, to apply concurrently. We've had clients where we've applied for VAWA and a green card, and they've been in removal proceedings. They have to close out their removal proceedings in order to get a green card, but sometimes they are still able to get that EAD as well. Okay, but technically the government, USCIS, is not supposed to issue that EAD if you are in removal proceedings. So there are some times that it works. So give us a call. If we can help you, we would love to. And of course, you have to qualify for VAWA. I would love to have a consultation. Our consultations are by phone, by Zoom, or in person. That's phone, Zoom, or in person. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I am an immigration attorney here in Washington, D.C. Our clients are everywhere. We love helping people with their immigration cases, so don't hesitate to reach out. You can reach me again at our office phone number, which is 703-348-1663. Also, if you prefer, if you're not somewhere where you can make a phone call, go to our website, agarwalimmigration.com. That's AGARWAL, immigration.com. You can learn a little bit more about us, but more importantly, you can schedule a consultation directly from there or from our Facebook page. The handle is Agarwal Immigration. All right, great. I think, I hope I answered your question, Amika. Molina is asking, hi, attorney, 3 months with my VAWA case, and I have a prima facie determination and my biometrics done. No request for evidence. Awesome. Fantastic. That's good news. You're moving right along on track. If you want to talk about a life cycle for a VAWA case, once you file, you'll get receipt notices in about a month, which is case numbers for the different types of cases that you've applied for. That could be a green card, work permit, travel authorization, and VAWA. So usually most of our clients have all 4 of these things. You will also get the prima facie determination in about 3 months after you apply. You can expect biometrics around 5 months after you apply. VAWA approval, approximately 2 years, sometimes 3 years after you apply, and a green card approval about a year after that. So the whole process can take 3 to 4 years, and sometimes, and many times, our clients are approved for a green card without an interview. So we have VAWA plus green card completed without an interview. In some instances, in other instances, our clients do get called in for an interview. The firm will represent you at the interview if you do work with us on your VAWA case. All right, give us a call if we can help you, 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney here in Washington, D.C. We help clients all over the United States with their immigration applications. I hope some of you give us a call or go online and schedule a consultation on our Facebook page. You can do that. The handle is Agarwal Immigration on Facebook, but you can also go to our website, agarwalimmigration.com. The consultations, just so you guys have an idea, they can be by phone, by Zoom, or in person. Again, phone, Zoom, or in person. Many people choose to come in person, to meet us in person, and they bring all their documents, which is awesome, but we will talk through your immigration history, our case strategy, what options are available, and all of the timing, the timeline for those options, and the fees that are involved in whatever option might work for you. Okay, give us a call if we can help you, 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. Luis is saying, I've been waiting over 2 years for my 485, which is marriage-based. Is that normal? So Luis, what I would say is see which service center is processing your case, and you can check average processing times. So for my clients, they're taking about a year, but in 2 years, I don't know. I don't think that's that abnormal, but as a lawyer, we prepare everything sort of in a way that USCIS is expecting to see it. It makes it easy for them to check off their list. We have a legal argument in place. We organize the exhibits that we include, right? So sometimes our cases might move a little bit faster just because it might be easier for the reviewer, and we know and understand the law. So I could see that happening, but there are average processing times published. So just Google average processing time USCIS, and you can put in the form number, you can put in the service center that's processing your case, and then you can get an idea of what the average processing time is for your case type. Okay, give us a call if we can help you, 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. Again, my name is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney here in Washington, D.C. We help clients with lots of immigration questions, with immigration cases. We would love to work with you. The best way to get started with us is to do a consultation. You can do that at 703-348-1663. Or go to our Facebook page, which is Agarwal Immigration, or you can go to our website, which is agarwalimmigration.com. All right. Molina says, do you think my case is going good? Molina, I think that's great. You think you are on the average timeline for that. So it seems pretty good. It's the best it can be right now. Hopefully everything else goes smoothly as well. If you need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to us, 703-348-1663. Mamidi is saying, what is the total fee if we proceed with your office for VAWA, right? That's awesome. What is the total fee if we proceed with VAWA with your office? We have several different payment plans, and so they vary. So you can pay in full, which would be much less than if you did one of the different payment plans. So first we want to talk to you about your specific case so we can give you the correct option for you. Some cases require a waiver. Some cases have other complications. So we want to touch base on that before we move forward. All right, give us a call if we can help you with your VAWA case, 703-348-1663. Our consultation is $150, right? So we charge $150. It's with me. I'm an immigration lawyer, very experienced immigration attorney, and I will be meeting with you by Zoom, by phone, or in person. And I will assess your immigration history, and we can come up with options, and I can answer all of your questions. But most often we go through the timeline that's involved, the fees that are involved, both our fees and government fees. And we want to give you a very clear picture of what you can expect in your case, right? So call us and we can accommodate you with a consultation, phone, Zoom, or in person. You can reach me at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. Also a reminder, if you don't already follow us or like us on social media, please do so. We are on YouTube, on Facebook, and on YouTube, Facebook, and on TikTok right now. Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok. We'd love to meet you for a consultation. But if you want to keep, sort of learning about immigration, if you're not ready yet for a consultation, I would highly encourage you to follow us and like us on our social media platforms, so we can stay in touch, so you can learn about immigration as well. Okay. Elna says, hi, attorney. My case just updated to card being processed. How long will it take for me to receive it in the mail? Oh my gosh, that's so exciting. So it depends on which card, right? It could be green card, it could be your EAD based on VAWA, or it could be a work authorization. So usually it takes about a week or 2 weeks max to receive that card. So be patient, be excited. Congratulations, I'm so excited for you. It's a big first step, especially if you've been in the US without status, without work authorization. We know how difficult it can be. We know from our own clients how difficult it can be, and hopefully we can help many people that are watching here today receive work authorization, receive that social security number, and maybe even a green card and citizenship in the future. You can reach our firm at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. I look forward to meeting many of you. Mamdi, you had a quick question. I'm going to touch base on it before I log off. Mamdi is saying, if a spouse is doing bigamy, what happens if the VAWA application applied? Mamdi, that's a great question. So if your spouse is married to someone else before they married you and you're applying for VAWA, but you married them not knowing that they were married to other people, you can still qualify for VAWA. That's actually one of the ways you can qualify for VAWA. So give us a call. Don't let that stop you from getting immigration benefits yourself. You can schedule a consultation with us at 703-348-1663. Again, my name is Pratibha Agarwal. We're based in Washington, D.C., but our clients are all over the United States. We work with people all over the United States in their immigration applications. Thank you so much for joining me today. Like us, follow us, subscribe to our channel on YouTube. And I hope that I get to see many of you for a consultation. If not a consultation, I look forward to seeing you guys again on here on our lives where we provide information about immigration. Share this with others that might be interested as well. Thank you so much, everybody. Hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you very soon. Bye, everyone.